Hello, and welcome to our sixth feature video describing our AI bid writer product, Tender Ninja. So now we're looking at a specific way of adding context to your questions and answers. So sometimes you will receive a question that asks you to specifically reference a requirement or something that's outside of the question. So here, just an example, highlighting it in blue. But this question is saying, can you provide examples of 3 different contracts demonstrating your experience? Perfectly normal question. So how would you make sure that information is attached? So we've created the new project sources feature. So this is the new tab up here, and that allows you to add a number of pieces of information. So some of which might be you add context. So you say Department for Education. That's the one I'm going to be responding to now. So you know the AI knows who they are. And you can also add in the requirement here. So it'll be off the screen, you won't quite see it, but you'll see me bringing that in now. And it's uploading the service requirement that the DFE have published that goes with the question set of the ITT. You can also add information about yourself as a supplier. So you note how I'm adding supplier name, but you could add certifications. In fact, let's do that. Let's say we have ISO 9001, a very normal thing you might have. And you might also choose to name yourselves, give your legal entity or organization. Now, that's probably within your knowledge base already, but just in case there's a couple of different entities in there and you want to be clear which one you are, this can be a good use to really lock that down. And also, I'm going to add a specific reference. It's a nice letter written from a customer, Department for Education, about how well we did, and that might well be relevant to some questions, might help build out an answer, add that extra little bit that gets you 1 or 2%. So just a reminder what we've done here. We've brought in these buyer sources. This will only be relevant to the question as context, and will be kept in a separate buyer area, and you'll see that in Response Builder. And here is your reference specifically that is yours and relates to your business. And it'll only be used on this kind of project, but you could use it on other ones later if you wish. And that's how it works. When you hit batch process the question, the answers will include it if the AI thinks it's relevant, which it probably will be.